Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today, I'll show you how to change page numbers in Microsoft Word on the desktop. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. First, you have to open your Microsoft Word and open the document you want to change the page numbers in. Simply open it and maximize it. Now, simply double tap the header or footer, and when you are in this page, simply go to Insert and tap on the page numbers. Here, click the Format Page Numbers. Here, you can select the number format like 1 to 3 or Roman numericals or ABC, anything you want, and to starting number at a different page. You want to change this number. Suppose I want this number at 3. Simply type 3 there and click on OK to apply your changes. As you can see, now close the header and footer, and as you can see, the page numbering has started from 3, 4 and 5 and so on, and that's it. You have changed your page number in MS Word in your desktop. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.